Imagine your kidneys are like superheroes who clean your body. They help get rid of the waste in your blood. If someone's kidneys don't work well, it's like some of these superheroes are missing, and they can't clean properly. Scientists have found out that eating the right foods is like not making too much mess for them. Foods with a lot of salt, phosphorus, or potassium are hard for your kidneys because they have to work extra hard. So, we're going to make some tasty meals that are good for your kidneys and still delicious. These recipes will help your body's cleaning team and keep you healthy, no matter if your kidneys are doing great or need a bit of help. We have 5 awesome dishes to make, each with a special touch that's good for your kidneys. These recipes are full of bright colors, yummy flavors, and all the great things that come with food made with love. And guess what? They're super easy to make. You probably have most of the ingredients in your kitchen already, or you can quickly get them from a nearby store. For each recipe, we'll tell you what you need, how to make it, and a special tip to make it extra tasty. Plus, we'll explain why these meals are great for your kidneys. So, whether it's time for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a snack, get ready to whip up some delicious and healthy food. Let's get cooking with our first kidney-friendly dish. 1. Super simple low-sodium stir-fry. First up is a colorful stir-fry that will make your taste buds dance and your kidneys sing. We're talking about a rainbow in a pan. This dish is packed with veggies like bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli, all the good stuff that's low in sodium and kind to your kidneys. What you need: a handful of bell peppers, slice them into thin strips. 2 medium carrots, cut them into bite-sized pieces. A big bunch of broccoli, break it into small florets. A splash of olive oil for that good heart-healthy cooking. Some garlic and ginger, finely chopped, for a flavor kick without the salt. And for the sauce, a mix of low-sodium soy sauce and a teaspoon of honey or a sprinkle of brown sugar. Putting it together. Heat up your pan on medium heat. Toss in the olive oil, garlic, and ginger. Once it smells like heaven, throw in all your veggies. Stir them around until they're bright and just tender. Now pour in your sauce and mix everything up for a minute or two. And there you have it, a super simple, low-sodium stir-fry that's as easy to make as it is delicious. Serve it over a scoop of brown rice, or just have it solo. It's a feast for the eyes and a party for your kidneys. Let's keep the cooking fun going with our second recipe. 2. Quick quinoa and bean salad. Next on our menu is a salad that's a real game changer. We're mixing up some quinoa beans and a bunch of fresh veggies to make a salad that's not just a side dish. It's a main event. What you need: a cup of quinoa, this tiny seed is a big hero for health. A can of low-sodium beans. Pick your favorite: black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas. Cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion for that crunch and color. A handful of fresh spinach leaves. Green is good. A squeeze of lemon, and a drizzle of olive oil for dressing. Putting it together. Cook the quinoa as the bag says, then let it cool. Rinse your beans so they're not too salty. Chop your veggies into little pieces that are just right for eating. Toss everything into a big bowl. Add the spinach leaves. Squeeze the lemon over it all and drizzle with olive oil. Give it a good mix, and just like that, you've got yourself a quick quinoa and bean salad. Serve this one cold. It's refreshing, filling, and keeps your kidneys in the cheering section with its low sodium and healthy ingredients. Plus, it's perfect for packing up for lunch or a picnic. Let's jump right into our third delightful recipe. 3. Very good kidney-friendly smoothie. Now, who doesn't love a good smoothie? Our third recipe is a berry delicious smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or a refreshing snack. It's packed with flavors and kidney-friendly goodness. What you need: a cup of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, pick your favorites. A banana for some natural sweetness and creamy texture. A splash of almond milk or any other low-fat milk you like. A scoop of plain Greek yogurt for a protein boost. A drizzle of honey or a bit of maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Blending it up. Throw your berries, banana, milk, and yogurt into a blender. Add a sweetener to taste. Whiz it up until it's smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, just add a bit more milk until it's just how you like it. And there you have it, a very good kidney-friendly smoothie. It's an easy-peasy way to get a bunch of healthy stuff in one delicious drink. Plus, it's gentle on your kidneys and great for those hot days or when you need a quick, tasty treat. 4. Kidney-friendly fruit parfait. For our fourth treat, we're putting together a kidney-friendly fruit parfait, a delightful dessert or snack that's as pretty as it is tasty. What you need: low-fat Greek yogurt for a creamy base, a selection of kidney-friendly fruits like berries and apple slices, a sprinkle of granola for some crunch. Just watch out for added sugars, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. Layering it up. In a glass or bowl, start with a layer of Greek yogurt. Add a layer of your chopped fruits. Sprinkle some granola on top, then drizzle with a little honey or maple syrup. Repeat the layers until your parfait looks as good as it tastes, and there you have your kidney-friendly fruit parfait. It's a simple, refreshing treat that's easy on your kidneys and satisfying for your sweet tooth. And now, our final recipe in the lineup. 5. Kidney-friendly apple crisp. To wrap up our delicious journey, we have a sweet treat. A kidney-friendly apple crisp that's sure to please. What you need: apples peeled and sliced. They're naturally low in potassium, a touch of cinnamon and nutmeg for that warm, spicy flavor. A little brown sugar or a sugar substitute for sweetness. Oats and a bit of flour for the crumbly topping. A small amount of unsalted butter to bring it all together. Making the crisp. Preheat your oven to a cozy temperature. In a baking dish, mix your apple slices with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a bit of sugar. In a separate bowl, mix the oats, flour, and butter until it's crumbly. Sprinkle this mixture over the apples. Bake it until the top is golden and the apples are bubbly. Your kidney-friendly apple crisp is a perfect way to end a meal or enjoy a sweet snack without overloading your kidneys. It's warm, comforting, and oh so delicious. We hope these recipes not only add some delicious variety to your meals, but also help in supporting your kidney health. While these recipes are kidney-friendly, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor or a dietitian, especially if you have specific dietary needs or health concerns. They can help make sure that these recipes fit into your personal health plan. Did you have a favorite recipe from today's list? Or do you have your own kidney-friendly recipe to share? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.